In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete time off in Connecteam. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust your time off records, whether it's due to a change in plans or simply an error, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you can manage your time off policies with ease. First, you'll want to open up your Connecteam application. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see various options there, but for today, our focus is on the Users tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page where you can manage all user-related settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find an option labeled Company Policies. Clicking on this will lead you to a comprehensive overview of all the policies that you have in place for your organization, including time-off policies. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Company Policy section, you'll have the ability to view, edit, and importantly, delete any time-off entries that need adjustment. This area is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring that your team's time off is tracked correctly. To delete a specific time-off entry, simply locate the entry you wish to remove. You'll likely see a list or grid format, making it easy to scan through and find what you need. Once you've identified the entry, take a moment to ensure it's the correct one. It's always a good idea to double-check, as deleting an entry will remove it permanently from your records. After confirming that you have the right entry, look for a delete option, usually represented by a trash can icon or a similar symbol. Click on it, and a prompt will likely appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the time-off entry. This step is there to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to read the prompt and confirm. And there you have it! With just a few clicks, you've successfully deleted a time-off entry from your Connecteam account. This process helps keep your records up to date and ensures that everything is in line with your current policies. If you encounter any issues or have questions, remember that Connecteam's support resources are available to help you out. Managing time off effectively not only keeps your team organized, but also contributes to a smoother workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day and happy managing!